Hey everyone, okay, so sorry for the extreme close-up view. Today's video I'm going to be talking, and I spoke about it many times and done a few videos on it, but I really wanted to make another one because I can. A lot of people don't have a lot of eyelid space, so even if you can see your eyelids when they're open, the moment you line them with a pencil or anything like that, it basically looks like with your eye open that you just had black eyeshadow on. So you might as well have not bothered applying the eyeshadow to your lid. And this is a very common thing because a lot of people don't have very big eyes. And what you want to do, I think, is you want to maximize any space you have on your lid, but you want to create the blackest, most defined eye you can get, because black eyeshadow will define the eye like nothing else. It is one of the most important colors in makeup because you can smoke an eye with it, you can line your eyes with it. So I'm going to show you how to, on one eye, so you can see the difference, to really maximize, to create the blackest line without losing any eye space at all. So what brushes you'll need? Obviously my brushes, because it would be just rude not to. There's two brushes that you can use, right? So both of these are mine. So if you've got the anniversary collection, this is the new one. Or if you have the original, this is the baby. And this is truly one of the best eyeshadow brushes. And I'm not just saying that because it's mine, although I am. So as far as eyeshadows go, this is the one that I use for this technique. And this is by Natasha Denona. And it is called, can you focus? Honest to God. The Blackest Black, and it is 4 grams of product, so you get a lot of product. So let's see, this mirror is totally useless. So what you want to do is you want to place black eyeshadow right into the bed of the lash, not on the lid, into the lash bed above. So you're going to push and wiggle. Okay, so that is one single application, and you can see that the eye looks much more intense than this eye. So I'm going to do it twice because I just prefer to do things twice. That way you know the product's going to last. There you go. So you can see, right, that there is so much intensity at this lash line, and when you put mascara on, it is going to look amazing, and we've not lost any lid space, so any work we do, whether it's on the lid or above, is going to come through and shine through, so that we're not just having a black line with a standard pencil that we've drawn across. And this is also great if you don't want to do anything, you just want to make your eyes stand out, just do this, nothing else, apply mascara, bit of blusher, whatever you want, but your eyes are still going to be the focus because of how dark and deep the lash line looks. And that, I hope, has convinced you all to use push liner, because it is amazing. You need a black in your life. It's absolutely amazing. There you go. Thanks for watching. Comments down there, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.